Hi everybody and welcome. Today I have XMusic headphones and I'm going to tell you how to pair them with your MacBook. At first we have to make sure that we are not connected to any other phones, and then we can click this Bluetooth icon here, Bluetooth settings, and now we have to open our case lid and take both earbuds out of the case. Then we have to make sure that they are turned on. To do so, place them in your ears. If they make a sound, that means that they are turned on. And as you can see in our devices, we can see our headphones. We have to click connect. And if we have any troubles with connecting, we have to make sure that one of the, at least two of them are actually turned on, because one of them may be turned off and they are available even though they are turned off. Now, as you can see, we have to click pair and they are paired. That's it, hope it helps you and goodbye.